Well, hello everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we're doing a thing on expanding wallpaper. So before you install, you want to make sure if your paper expands. This is the width of the paper, so the paper will never expand up and down, but it'll always expand left, right. So that is, which has tripod. So that is the width as of right now, dry. So I'm just going to take a sponge. Let's see if I can do this. No, I can't do this. I'm just gonna get it wet. You'll see it'll start curling really quick on the edges. I got it wet. And now, we'll see. Still growing. It's almost a quarter inch that it grew, and I wasn't too aggressive with the water on there, but this one so that was a quarter of an inch. So how wide it is, but you can kind of, there we go, that's what I was looking for. So it sits, it'll start curling on the inside like that. So it gets really hard when you get a bigger piece. You're trying to book it, it gets really hard because all the stuff is curling. So as you're trying to curl it over, it wants to fold, so it gets really tricky. And that's usually, as you're laying it down, that's what it's doing right there. It starts curling in. Sometimes it'll curl this way. This one, it curled to the type, which is the ink on the other side, so it's curling in. This is a Schumacher paper, ton of ink. So this stuff doesn't really bode well for expansion. It's kind of a pain. But there you go. You can see imagine a big piece on how much this stuff expands. So let's see if we put this next to the tape measure again. What we got? This is really hard. Okay. So yeah, just over a quarter of an inch. So there you can see kind of the fun of expanding wallpaper. Make sure you test it first to know how much wider the paper is going to go before you start marking your walls, pre-cutting pieces. That way you know. Got questions on installing paper or little tips and tricks on wallpaper, let us know. DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, we're here to help you love the space you're in.